Hello my friends, welcome back to Homewood Spirit. This is your Vladimir speaking. I'm in my brother's house in the countryside at the moment. He's returning back from India tomorrow with his 4 daughters. And because I have here my wood carving knife, I have prepared 4 little gifts for my nieces. This wooden heart is for Hannah, that's my oldest niece. This one is for Ada. This one is for Marta. And this one is for my youngest niece, Emilia. As you can see, I put their initial letters of their first names because I think they're gonna lose it, and if they lose it, they're gonna fight for it. So now they know who lost it and who didn't. I would like to share with you this video because I know that you can make your own wooden heart and give it to someone who you really care about. It's a great gift. First, I mark the shape of the heart on my block of timber. Basswood is great for this project. I cut out the heart with the saw. Ideal saw for this job would be coping saw, but I used what I just found. Clamp tool helps me hold the block in fixed position. I leave the heart attached to the rest of the block and use it as a handle for easier carving. Now I start with making the rough shape. Handle and push cuts help me to remove the material easier. I also roughly carve the rounded shape. Few stop cuts help me finish the rough rounded shape of the heart. At this stage, I can saw off the heart from the handle. I finish the rough shape of the heart with few paring cuts across the grain. I have to be more careful here because I cut with the knife against my thumb. I turn the rough shape in fine finished surface with some smaller and neater cuts. Stropping the knife on piece of leather keeps it sharp. I make the last part of the heart with V-cuts. I have to be careful here because the knife can slip easily from wood straight into my finger. The groove should be deep enough, so I repeat the process one more time. Let's finish it off. Add few neat cuts along the grain to maintain smooth finished surface. Wood carving is for sure a great hobby for every season. I personally like the winter time because I can relax next to the warm fireplace while making something nice from wood. And that's it. The job with knife is done. I just soak the heart in linseed oil for a couple minutes. Then I wipe it with cloth or some paper tissue and let it dry for a day. Now is my gift ready. It wasn't that hard, wasn't it? I would like to give you 2 more tips. If you live in an area with pine forests, just go for a walk in the beautiful nature. Bring for yourself a piece of pine bark and then you can create such beautiful hearts from it. It's really nice material to work with. Tip number 2, it's great father and son hobby. From my experience, I have never seen my father, who is usually a very grumpy man, so happy while we were making these hearts. So if you want, you can invite your family members and enjoy this amazing hobby together. I hope you liked today's video. You can subscribe it and you can go to homewoodspirit.com where you can find more information. I will see you in the next one and have a great day.